The kit comes with everything you need to complete the project. Let's start with the sliding door piece. Wipe down the install area with the alcohol wipes provided. Make sure to get in the edges. Take out the oval piece and align around the handle. There will be excess to tuck in later. Peel off the large piece of backing paper and align around the handle again. Squeegee upwards to anchor into place. Use the hard side of the squeegee to tuck the excess around the edges. Peel off the small piece of backing paper from side to side. Squeegee it down, starting from the middle, going out to the sides. Squeegee around the handle, working your way to the other edges. When you get to the front edge, slide the door up and run your finger over it from side to side until you get to the end. You may have to squeegee the edges. Open the door before you start installing the cup holder area. Wipe down the install area with the alcohol wipes provided. Make sure to get in the edges. Remove the cup holder section. On a flat surface, apply the transfer paper to the cup holder area by aligning the bottom black line with the edge in the middle of the cup holders. Make sure to stick it down firmly. Peel the backing paper only from the cup holder area. Align the top black line with the middle of the cup holder edge. You can also check for alignment by making sure the top excess reaches to the middle of the sliding door handle. Press the transfer paper down over the vinyl. Make sure the vinyl is completely anchored down, or it will be hard to remove the transfer paper. Carefully peel the transfer paper off. Peel off the small piece of backing paper and run your finger over it from side to side until you get to the edge. As you peel off the largest piece of backing paper, begin squeegeeing into place. Use the hard side of the squeegee to tuck in the edges. For both edges, run your finger over it from side to side until you get to the end. Roll your fingers over the edges of the cup holder area, starting in the center. For the middle, it helps to press the corners down first, then anchor the edge.